The Willys Jeep represented American manufacturing genius, solving military transportation problems Germany couldn't overcome. American military needed light vehicle, providing mobility speed and off-road capability simultaneously. Willys Manufacturing Company designed prototype incorporating all requirements in single revolutionary design. American factories produced approximately 640,000 Willys MB Jeeps during World War II. This production volume exceeded German light vehicle manufacturing capacity by an enormous margin. German military attempted copying Willys Jeep design and failed completely. German engineering couldn't replicate American design simplicity combined with rugged reliability. Willys Jeep became symbol of American military superiority through practical transportation solution. The Willys Jeep weighed only 2,315 pounds fully loaded. Lightweight provided exceptional mobility across terrain conventional trucks couldn't traverse. Jeep could carry 4 soldiers, plus heavy weapons and ammunition. Four-wheel drive system gave Jeep ability traversing mud, snow, ice, desert, sand. Jeep could ford water up to 2 feet deep without waterproofing. American soldiers transported ammunition, supplies, wounded troops, reconnaissance equipment using Jeeps. Jeep versatility made single vehicle perform functions German military required multiple specialized vehicles completing. German military analyzed, captured Willys Jeeps, and recognized manufacturing superiority immediately. German High Command issued report stating American vehicle design exceeded German capability. German engineers attempted improving design, but couldn't enhance fundamental superiority. German military requested manufacturing Willys Jeeps domestically, but manufacturing capacity proved inadequate. Germany produced Kübelwagen as response, but vehicle never matched Willys capabilities. Kübelwagen lacked four-wheel drive, limiting off-road performance significantly. Kübelwagen required more resources manufacturing compared to Willys production efficiency. German military recognized American manufacturing efficiency demonstrated through Willys production volume. American logistics advantage resulted partially from Willys Jeep abundance. American military could transport supplies, ammunition, personnel rapidly across all terrain. Jeeps reduced logistical burden, allowing American forces sustaining operations without additional vehicles. American supply lines stretched across continents, supported by Willys Jeep transportation networks. German military lacked comparable light vehicle, enabling logistics network supporting extended campaigns. German forces relied on horse-drawn vehicles for many logistical functions. Horses required extensive supply systems, feeding, housing, veterinary care. American Jeeps required only fuel, eliminating complex animal support systems. Willys Jeep mobility enabled American tactical flexibility German forces couldn't match. American commanders positioned forces rapidly exploiting German defensive weaknesses. Jeeps transported reconnaissance teams, discovering German position locations. Jeep-mounted machine gunners attacked German columns, disrupting supply convoys. American forces used Jeep mobility, capturing German positions before defensive preparation completion. German commanders couldn't respond rapidly enough, preventing American tactical advantage. Willys Jeep mobility translated directly to tactical flexibility, determining battle outcomes. American paratroopers used Jeeps after landing behind enemy lines. Jeeps transported supplies, ammunition, weapons to isolated American paratroopers. Jeeps enabled paratroopers establishing supply bases, supporting extended operations. German forces lacked comparable light vehicles supporting airborne operations. Jeep supply capability meant American paratroopers sustained combat operations longer than German capability. American airborne operations success partially resulted from Jeep support capability. Willys Jeep logistics transformed airborne warfare from theoretical concept to practical reality. American engineers designed Willys Jeep specifically addressing practical warfare requirements. Vehicle design emphasized simplicity, enabling field repair using available materials. Jeep engines utilized standardized components, simplifying maintenance across theaters. Willys manufacturing standardization meant spare parts remained compatible throughout war. American soldiers could repair Jeeps using basic tools field mechanics possessed. German vehicles required specialized parts, specialized mechanics, specialized tools. American military advantage included maintenance simplicity, reducing mechanical failures. Willys Jeep reliability partly resulted from design, emphasizing practical manufacturability. Willys Jeep production volume demonstrated American manufacturing dominance completely. American factories produced Jeeps continuously throughout war without production interruptions. Willys manufacturing maintained production rates despite American material shortages. American factories trained workers rapidly, enabling production increases. German factories couldn't achieve comparable production rates, simultaneously manufacturing tanks, artillery aircraft. American manufacturing capacity meant America produced more Jeeps than Germany produced all light vehicles. Willys Jeep abundance reflected American industrial advantage, determining war outcome. American Marines used Jeeps extensively in Pacific theater operations. Jeeps transported ammunition supplies, personnel across Pacific Islands. Jeep-mounted weapons provided mobile firepower, supporting infantry assault. Marines loaded Jeeps with explosives, clearing defensive obstacles. Pacific Campaign success partially attributed to Jeep mobility, enabling island-to-island operations. Japanese forces lacked comparable light vehicles, limiting defensive mobility. American Jeep advantage translated to tactical superiority in Pacific combat operations. Willys Jeep cost efficiency enabled mass production, remarkable scale. American factories produced Jeeps economically without sacrificing quality. Low production cost meant American military equipped every unit requiring light vehicles. German manufacturing costs prevented comparable vehicle production quantities. American manufacturing efficiency exceeded German engineering cost calculations. Willys Jeep affordability enabled unprecedented vehicle availability, supporting American military operations worldwide. American officers praised Willys Jeep reliability under combat conditions. Jeeps functioned reliably in extreme temperature variations. Jeeps operated in desert conditions, mud conditions, snow conditions. Jeep reliability meant American commanders maintained transportation capability, sustaining operations. German vehicles experienced mechanical failures, reducing operational effectiveness. Willys Jeep dependability affected American combat effectiveness positively. Reliable transportation supported continuous American military operations. Willys Jeep design emphasized practical American military requirements completely. American military specified vehicle requirements, and Willys delivered solutions exceeding specifications. Design incorporated soldier feedback, improving vehicle capability. American military culture emphasized practical solutions, solving real problems. German military culture sometimes prioritized theoretical perfection, sacrificing practicality. Willys Jeep's success validated American pragmatic approach to military equipment design. American supply convoys used Jeeps protecting larger trucks. Jeeps mounted machine guns providing convoy security. Jeep mobility enabled rapid response to ambush attacks. German forces couldn't effectively ambush protected American supply convoys. Willys Jeep armed security transformed supply convoy safety significantly. American supply lines maintained operational continuity through Jeep security. Logistics protected by armed Jeeps meant American forces maintained supply advantage. Willys Jeep enabled American reconnaissance operations, discovering German positions. Jeeps transported reconnaissance teams deep into German territory. Jeep speed enabled rapid withdrawal when German forces responded. Reconnaissance teams using Jeeps provided American commanders accurate German position intelligence. German military commanders lacked reconnaissance capability, matching American Jeep reconnaissance capability. American tactical advantage included superior reconnaissance information. Willys Jeep reconnaissance capability contributed directly to American tactical planning superiority. American forces used Jeeps delivering messages between military units. Jeeps transported officers coordinating military operations. Jeep reliability meant message delivery occurred consistently. German communication systems relied on other methods lacking Jeep transport flexibility. American command communication efficiency included Jeep messenger capability. Jeep communication support enabled American commanders coordinating complex operations. Willys Jeep messaging capability contributed to American military command coordination. Willys Jeep became a symbol of American military effectiveness globally. Soviet forces received Jeeps through Lend-Lease agreements. Soviet commanders praised Jeep reliability and capability. Soviet military recognized American vehicle design excellence. British forces received Jeeps supporting European operations. British commanders appreciated Jeep versatility, solving transportation problems. French forces received Jeeps supporting liberation operations. Allied forces worldwide recognized Willys Jeep importance to military effectiveness. German military intelligence reports emphasized Willys Jeep significance repeatedly. German strategists acknowledged American vehicle production advantage. German military planning incorporated Jeep threat into tactical calculations. German defensive strategies adapted to counter American Jeep mobility. German military orders addressed preventing American Jeep infiltration. German commanders issued orders capturing Willys Jeeps, avoiding destruction. German military valued Jeeps highly, attempting to preserve captured vehicles. American soldiers trusted Willys Jeep reliability in combat. American soldiers knew Jeeps would function when needed. American soldiers' confidence increased knowing adequate transportation available. American military morale benefited from equipment reliability. American combat effectiveness included soldier confidence in equipment. Willys Jeep reliability affected American soldier morale positively. Post-war military forces adopted Willys Jeep design principles. Military forces globally studied Willys Jeep design for lessons. Jeep design influenced post-war light vehicle development. Military academies incorporated Willys Jeep case studies curriculum. Jeep manufacturing influenced post-war military vehicle standards. American vehicle design excellence demonstrated through Willys Jeep legacy. Post-war military forces copied Willys Jeep design concepts worldwide. Willys Jeep manufacturing demonstrated American industrial excellence. American factories produced complex vehicles economically, reliably, consistently. American manufacturing culture emphasized practicality and efficiency. Willys Jeep production validated American manufacturing approach. German manufacturing couldn't match American production efficiency. American manufacturing capacity exceeded German capability demonstrably. Willys Jeep represented American manufacturing achievement, globally recognized. American military victory included recognition that transportation logistics determined outcomes. Willys Jeep enabled American logistics advantage completely. American forces maintained supply superiority through Jeep mobility. German forces struggled with logistical limitations, lacking Jeep equivalents. American military superiority included logistics excellence. Willys Jeep directly contributed American logistics advantage. Transportation capability translated to military capability directly. Willys Jeep influenced modern military thinking permanently. Light vehicle mobility became essential military doctrine. American military emphasized vehicle mobility as warfare element. Modern militaries adopted American light vehicle transportation concepts. Jeep legacy continued affecting military operations decades after World War II. American military innovation demonstrated through Willys Jeep design. Vehicle design excellence influenced military doctrine globally permanently. German high command ultimately recognized American manufacturing superiority determined war outcome. Willys Jeep represented American industrial advantage symbolically. German military couldn't match American production volumes. American manufacturing capacity exceeded German capability overwhelmingly. German military defeat included recognition that American manufacturing won arms race. Willys Jeep symbolized American manufacturing victory. American industrial excellence demonstrated through Willys Jeep production achievement.